Your favourite shoes are slowly dying from the ground up. What we're going to talk about today is the heel, how to protect it, and how to extend the life of your favourite shoes. So why is the heel so important? Well, think about how you walk. You take a long stride forwards, and the first thing to hit the ground is the heel, and specifically the back corner. And I know it doesn't sound very much, but think about it. The same point, striking over and over again throughout the course of the day. And as you can see with these have now gone just a bit too far. I've worn away that back corner, and you can see it's encroached on the layer below. Your shoe heel is made up of two parts. You've got the heel stack and the cap. The stack is typically discs of leather or rubber that are literally stacked up to give the heel its height. The cap is a rubber protection for the stack. Now, replacing a pair of heel caps will cost somewhere between £20 and £25. To replace the whole stack, you're looking at about £60 to £70, which for many pairs of shoes might be almost as much as buying a new pair of shoes. So once you've gone beyond a heel cap replacement, the shoes are basically ruined because it's an uneconomical repair. So what can we do to prevent this happening? Well, the first thing is, you may have seen these, metal segs. All of my school shoes had metal segs, and yes, they're very practical. They last forever, basically, because they're metal and they protect the heel and stop it wearing. However, they come with major downsides. So major that I would never wear them. The first one, and the reason I have this granite block in front of me, is the noise. When you're walking through an airport, through a train station, every step you make, it sounds like you're a tap dancer. Some people will like the attention, but most people will not. The second thing, if you are a heel striker, and that's the first bit that hits the ground, the metal gives you almost no grip whatsoever, particularly once you've worn it for a little while and it's gone very shiny. If the pavement's wet, and particularly if you've got a long stride, the seg hits the ground first, skids away from under you, and you collapse in a heap on the ground. The third is when you've got wooden floors, laminate floors, or nice oak floors, something like that, the damage that you can do with the metal, and especially when it starts to wear down and these screw heads start to poke through, scrape, scrape, scrape. You've saved £20 worth of shoe heel and destroyed thousands of pounds worth of wooden floor. So yes, the metal segs last the longest, but they come with significant downsides. So what's the alternative? Well, these are a rubber equivalent and a much better idea. So the better option is the rubber one. It's better grip, it's quieter underfoot, and on paper, it addresses all the issues from the metal one. So for the sake of a couple of pounds and 5 minutes work, your heel is now nicely protected, you've got good grip from the rubber, and you're not going to click and clack down the road as you would with a metal seg. However, it does still have the metal screws, which will be exposed once the rubber wears down. So keep an eye on that. So a couple of honest points for you. First one is, yes, you're obviously going to be screwing into your new shoes, which you might be nervous about. If you are nervous about it, you get loads of the heel protectors in the pack, so you can always practice on an older pair of shoes just to get the technique right. The second thing is, the rubber is going to wear down a lot faster than a metal seg would, so it's going to need replacing a lot faster, and you will expose the metal screws at some point. So keep an eye on that and just make sure you replace it before the metal starts to scratch your nice wooden floors. So I can now hear you screaming at me, I've just spent £600 on a pair of shoes. I don't want a clumpy lump of rubber sticking out of the heel of my shoe. I get it. This isn't going to be for everybody. So you want to know how to incorporate this in a premium pair of shoes. Well, I've got you for that as well. On a premium pair of shoes, you'll have this hardened rubber cap built in, and that performs exactly the same function as the rubber seg, but it's flush with the heel itself. Make sure you replace it before the heel protector wears down to the heel stack, and that's going to save you from a very expensive repair. The other option is what's called a Dainite sole. Now this is a Dainite sole, it has a very distinctive pattern on the sole. A lot of shoemakers make their shoes with Dainite soles. They're a great alternative to leather. They give much better grip than leather. They're harder wearing. And when it comes to replacing them, you're looking at about £65, £70 for the full Dainite sole. For a Dainite heel, you're looking at, again, between £20 and £25. And the beauty of that is it can be replaced on its own. That's a replaceable part. And again, it's nice and thick. This is a 3¼ inch Dainite heel. You just take that off, put a new one on, and Bob's your uncle. Again, £20, £25, a much better alternative than replacing the full heel stack. because that might be prohibitively expensive depending on the cost of your shoes. So just to summarize, the thing you want to avoid is wearing away your heel so that it encroaches on the heel stack. Very expensive repair and potentially more than the value of your shoes. So if at very least you want to be replacing the heel cap every 6 months, 12 months, depending on how often you wear your shoes, but replace that before it encroaches on the heel stack. If you want to take my advice, don't use metal segs. Dangerous and not worth it. If you want a quick, cheap and effective DIY job, then a rubber seg is, for the sake of a couple of pounds, a very effective solution. If you want a premium solution at about the £20–25 mark, then either a Dainite heel, again replaced before it wears down into the heel stack, or one of these leather heels with the protective rubber tip. So I hope you found this useful. Let's see in the comments who can be honest and tell me how expensive a pair of shoes you've ruined by not replacing the heel in time, and what's your preferred solution. Some people are going to say, I love metal segs, I've used them all my life and I think they're great. If that's you, brilliant, let me know. I would love to hear somebody who has something positive to say about them. If you do the premium version, let me know. How long do they last? How often do you have to replace your heel caps? Let me know in the comments and I will see you next time. Take care.